Out our place to rent in beautiful Hawaii. So some of it got remodeled. We have some nice hardwood floors. So there's a beautiful view overlooking. You can see out there out into the world. Been raining a lot, so basically kind of wet out there, but looks like it stopped. Here in Hawaii, we have louvered windows because they let the air in. There's no really need for heat. Air conditioning usually not, because it's again pretty nice and warm, tropical weather. There's the back area. This area is a kitchen, cabinet, so fairly new. Stove, again, wood floors in the kitchen. There's the back area. The refrigerator. There's a back door leading out. There's a 1-bedroom here. Pretty light and bright. Again, pretty rainy out there. A closet in here. Now we're going through the hallways. This is a 2nd bedroom. So again, light and bright. There's the closet. Then we have the bathroom here. Looks like a nice new countertop. And same thing, little small shower. Then up to the 3rd bedroom. So here's a nice, looks like hallway closet. It's hard to see in the dark, but that's the 3rd bedroom. So it's hardwood floors throughout. It's really nice. So as you can see, the weather out here, pretty wet and rainy today. Should clear up this afternoon though. And then you have the bigger closet here. So I guess this might be considered your master bedroom. Smoke alarm needs to be changed the battery because it keeps beeping. Oh my goodness. A big rainstorm here. Very wet. But again, nice residential area. So hopefully it'll clear up in an hour or two and be nice and sunny again. Just a morning rain